In this episode, you're going to learn how to customize your own forms. You're going to learn how to set up your own custom form fields. You're going to learn how to put forms onto a page and style them so they work on different color backgrounds, so maybe on a light background or a full color background. We're also going to dive in a little bit deeper and have a look at how you can use forms to take both payments and subscriptions. You can use both your online store to take payments and subscriptions, but you could also use that in forms too. Okay, but then we'll also have a look at the interaction between a form, what happens when someone completes a form. We want to take them to a thank you page, possibly with more information, but we also want to make sure they've got a nice email so that they know that they've submitted the form, but also so that you know they've submitted a form and they go into your bucket of leads in the inquiries area, and we also create them as a new member.